How to clean cork flooring in 8 easy steps. Pro care and maintenance guide. You never actually clean cork. You clean the finish on top of it. That finish is polyurethane, wax, or hardwax-oil. And the same cleaning solution that's perfectly safe on one strips the other completely. Here are the 8 professional steps that work with your specific floor. Step 1. Confirm your finish before you clean anything. Drop water on a low traffic spot. If it beads for a full minute, your finish is intact. If it flattens and darkens, clean dry only until you recoat. Step 2. Remove every piece of grit with a soft brush or vacuum. Brush roll switched off. Cork sits at 2.5 on the hardness scale, and ordinary sand sits near 7, so dragging it across wet cork cuts scratches straight into the finish. Step 3. Mix a solution that matches your finish. pH-neutral cleaner for polyurethane, a wax-specific product for wax, and never the 2 cleaners crossed over. Step 4. Wring the mop until it stops dripping. Then wring it again. Moisture rarely damages the face of a sealed floor, but it travels through the seams and swells the core from below. Step 5. Mop in sections, following the plank direction, never across it. Cross-grain mopping leaves streaks that catch light at an angle. Step 6. Spot treat stains while the floor is still damp, always by blotting. Scrubbing just drives pigment deeper into cork's open cell structure. Step 7. Run a second pass with plain water only. Every cleaner leaves residue, and that residue doesn't just dull the floor, it blocks any future recoat from bonding at all. And Step 8. Dry the surface, then inspect at a low angle for dull traffic lanes or seams that no longer bead water. Catching that early is what actually saves the floor.
The vinegar rule and what to never use. Diluted vinegar is safe, but only monthly, only on sealed polyurethane, and always rinsed after. It dissolves wax finishes on contact. Never use steam. The vapor slips through the seams and swells the core from the inside, and the damage shows up weeks later as a lifted edge. Skip ammonia, bleach, oil soap, and baking soda paste. Every one of them either strips the finish or dulls it permanently.
Confirm your finish, wring it dry, and rinse twice. Do that, and a cork floor installed in the 1930s can still be standing today. Yours can do the same. If you're ready for new flooring or want to give your space a complete flooring upgrade, check the Lush Loom link in the description to explore your options. See you in the next one.